Hey, what's up? It's JT from Untitled.com and welcome to my mail or list review. Okay, so here I am in the members area, which I will come back to a little bit later on in this review, but I just wanted to give you a feel for what mail or list is about. So mail or list is the latest launch from Dawood Islam and Terry Till, and it's a combination product providing access to both Dawood and Terry's membership websites, which in total is 43 sites, and the ability of sending one solo ad to all of these sites. Now this gives you access to potentially 32,000 members at those sites. Included is comprehensive training on the best solo ads to use and how to go about setting it all up. Now, mail or list launches on the 24th of August at 9 AM EDT. The front end of this launch comes in just at $9.95, and it is an evergreen product which you can repeat purchase the front end, giving you another shot at promoting to these 43 sites. You can then rinse and repeat each time you purchase the front end. The training and information provided covers the exact processes and methods that Dawood and Terry use on a regular basis. The principle is that by utilising these same methods in your business, then you should be able to start growing your email list and then be able to market to nearly 32,000 people simply by paying $9.95 each time. The training is comprehensive, it's clear, it's well structured, and it's easily understood. Now in this review video I'm going to take you through the mail or list members area, and I'm going to share with you my honest view as to whether this is something that would help you with one of the most challenges that we all face, which is building a high quality list of potential buyers that you can then promote your products to and send your email offers. These fundamental principles can be used in any niche and irrespective as to whether you are promoting high ticket items or lower value offers through, say, Amazon affiliate scheme or ClickBank products and offers. However, you do need to bear in mind that the people in these 43 websites are primarily in the MMO, that's making money online niche. So whether you're interested in promoting high ticket items at the top end of the market or promoting PLR products, for example, or software from Warrior Plus, these talk methods will help you reach your targeted audience. I will also give you my view on the launch's pros and cons and take you through the upsells or OTOs within the sales funnel. Now listen up, I've also got 4 value-added bonuses of my own to give you, which are yours for free and to keep. These have been carefully put together to make the most out of mail or lists, and it complements Dawood and Terry's training, and it gives you additional tools and information to help you make money more quickly and scale up your online business. I've also got 2 mega bonuses to give you if you decide to pick up at least one of the OTOs, and if you stick with my video until the end, then I will explain to you how that process works. These hand-picked bonuses are completely free and are yours to keep if you click below through my link in the description of this YouTube video. When you click on the link below, it will take you straight to my bonus page, which looks like this. Okay, so here I am on the bonus page. The first thing that I want to bring to your attention is that you'll notice on this green button here that if you purchase this before 11:59 PM EST on Sunday, August the 29th, then all of these bonuses will be available to you for free, including the vendors bonuses. So what is mail or list? Well, it is a process whereby you can send your email or your links to potentially 32,000, almost 32,000 people at 43 websites, and these are websites that are owned by both Dawood and Terry, and you're able to mail to their people. There is an actual introductory video here from Dawood himself taking you through what it is in more detail. I'm not going to go through that. So just to summarize, you can send an email to potentially 43 websites, and that number may well go up over time. Directly send to the email addresses of nearly 32,000 people. You can send the offer to any URL in any niche you want, but you need to bear in mind that all of these people here are primarily interested in the making money online niche, so it'll probably work better for that niche than it will for, say, dogs. Or you can purchase more super solos whenever you like, so you'll be able to resend out each time you purchase the front end. You don't need to start with your own email list, but obviously you will build your email list up over time, and it's great for beginners as well. So in terms of my bonuses, the first bonus I want to point out to you is website secrets for mail or lists. And the reason that I put this bonus in here is that at some point, if you're ever going to be successful with affiliate marketing, you really do need to have your own website. So this is a full-blown course created by one of the most respected SEO specialists on the net at the moment. And this is a full end-to-end optimized website building course. Bonus number 2 is using unique banner creation for your mailing out to your lists. So you can potentially produce a banner, an eye-catching banner, insert whatever you want into the banner to draw people's attention to it, which will increase your traffic. Bonus number 3 is another course, which is how to utilize social media and dominate it, and then use that with mail lists as well to grow your business. And then my final bonus is how you can use or maximize mail lists to then use additional traffic marketing secrets to continue to build your list and to build a list of proven buyers. And then obviously you've got the bonuses that Dowd and Terry have put together as part of their package here. So all you need to do, just as a reminder to pick up any of these, is to click on any of these green buttons here, which will take you through to the sales page. From the sales page, you can then purchase the product should you wish to do it. And bear in mind, there is a timer on the bonuses, as I've already pointed out. Now, assuming you're already got an account for Warrior Plus, then, well, if you don't have an account for Warrior Plus, it's easy enough to get one. All you do is type in Warrior Plus into your browser. The sign-up process will commence. You just follow the sign-up process, enter your details, then you'll be given an email which will then invite you to log in. And then once you log in, you will then have access to your account. Now, once you've got your Warrior Plus account, all that will happen is that you will pick up your actual training product by clicking on this green button in your members account area, and in order to pick up the additional bonuses, all you need to do is click on this blue button here that's circled in red, and then that will then give you access to the bonuses that I've just taken you through. So I'm now quickly going to leave the bonus page and take you through to the sales page and have a quick run through that, and then I'll take you through the members area in a bit more detail. Okay, so here I am on the sales page. So if you've clicked on one of the buttons on the bonus page, it'll bring you through straight to this page. There's a reiteration here that it's almost 32,000 people at 43 websites that you could potentially like to send your email through to. There's some bullet points here. I will go through a little bit further down, and a couple of points I just want to highlight to you. There is a picture there of Dowd and some information underneath, and then a bit further down a picture of Terry. So just going back up here, what I want to do is just make it absolutely clear what you'd be getting if you did purchase this. So this is a chance to send an email to almost 32,000 members across 43 different sites. All of the people on these sites are interested in the making money online niche, but it also says that some of them are interested in other things as well. So if you're promoting in an area like health and weight loss, for example, or dogs or self-development niches, then you may get a response from those people as well. But it is primarily aimed at the MMO niche. And these are buyers, proven buyers, who've purchased both upgrades and affiliate products from both Dowd and Terry. Now, just to be clear, this is not solo ad traffic. Sending solo ad from a solo ad provider to over 30,000 people would cost you in excess of $10,000. So for less than $10, $9.95 to be precise, you can reach over 30,000 members who have proven to double opt-in with the email addresses that they provided. So even though it might not be their primary email address, they're still from accounts that they access on a regular basis. So I just wanted to make that absolutely clear that that's what you're getting as a result of if you purchase this. So what I want to do, there's some examples on this sales page, by the way, of some of the 43 sites here. But what I wanted to do is get down to the bonuses that are being offered by Dowd and Terry. So bonus number 1 is a bonus page builder. This gives you the opportunity to make free bonus pages to give away. And this is another one of Dowd's products, which is Meerkat Money. You then have a full-blown lockdown formula, which is a full-blown affiliate training program put together by both Dowd and I believe John O. Armstrong supported Dowd with that launch as well. You then get some bots training, learning on how to make money and get conversions using chatbots. Bonus number 4 from Terry and Dawood is Livewire. This is where you can expand and improve your social media marketing. And then you've got Review Site Secrets. This is where you can master the art of making money from review sites specifically. And all you need to do to get this is to click on one of these blue buttons, and that'll take you through to Warrior Plus. Now, there is a 30-day money back guarantee on this, but I just want to make sure that you're fully aware of how this works. If you purchase this product and if you send one of your ads out, a solo ad, so you've activated the solo ad and the solo ad has gone out to the nearly 32,000 people rather, then you won't be able to claim your money back on this 30-day money back guarantee, because you've already activated, you've sent your solo ad out. So if you've not sent your solo ad out and you then decide that it's not for you and you don't want to do it and you want your money back, then that's when the 30-day money back guarantee will work. You will not be given your money back if you actually send your ad out to these 32,000 people. So I just wanted to make that clear. So all you need to do is click on any of these buttons here and they'll take you through to the payment page on Warrior Plus. So what I'm now going to do is I'm just going to flick back into the members area and give you more of a feel for what's included in there. Okay, so I just want to take you through the members area again in a little bit more detail. I did say I would do that earlier on in this review. So this is a ClickFunnels interface. So the first 2/3 on the right hand side here generally where the welcome videos are, and then you've got a set of menu buttons down the left hand side where you can access the training, and you generally have some dashboard buttons here at the top right hand side as well. So here we've got a welcome video from Dawood, and then opportunity to potentially subscribe to the Elite Tigers YouTube channel, and there's also a very active and proactive Facebook group as well for Elite Tigers. And then you've got a welcome video here from Terry on the underneath, and then you've got Terry's YouTube channel, and then something called LifeWave here. So those buttons, if you click on them, they'll give you more information. So here on the left hand side, you've then got all the drop down menus for all of the training. So you've got the welcome, which is the page that we're currently on now. If you then go down to the next button, if that works, you've then got an overview of mail our list. So that's Dawood giving an overview of it. And then you then come into the main training section. So the main training section consists of 5 elements. You've got the introduction to the training, you've got how to submit your solo ad, how to join the sites yourself, using the resources, and how to promote. And then the next drop down menu, which is around resources, is there are a number of squeeze pages that are given to you free if you pick this up. You've then got a conclusion. You've then got access to the bonuses that I went through when I went through the sales page. You've then got potential if you want to pick up any of the upgrades, and then you've got unadvertised bonuses, and you've got another 2, 4, 6, 8 bonuses here from other marketers. Now you just need to bear in mind that to pick up any of these bonuses, you will have to submit your email address to join and access the bonuses, and then that then puts your email address on the database for these people as well. So you just need to bear that in mind. There's a quid pro quo involved in that. So that's the members training area. It might not look much, but there's a lot in here. Certainly in this area is packed full of information, and it tells you how to get the best out of this particular product. So I'm now going to bring this to a conclusion and just sum up, and then I'll finish off the review. Okay then, this brings me to the end of my review of mail order lists. Now I did say that I would summarise the pros and cons. Mail order lists is a unique offer in terms of concept, i.e. gaining access through membership sites of other people and then being able to promote your own offer. The training and setup instructions are well structured and they're easy to follow, and you also get insight into the effective and measurable results of using solo ads for an extremely low cost. The included bonuses from the vendor and my own build on the foundational training as taught by Dawood and Terry. Even with just the front end at $9.95, you will learn how to promote your affiliate links on offers to nearly 32,000 people. How quickly you'll start to see results will depend on how much effort you put into it and also how well you implement the training. On the downside, you get one shot at this unless you either pick up OTO1, which gives you a further 5 solo ads, or you can purchase the front end as many times as you want at $9.95 to do further blasts. The other thing you need to be aware of is that many of the 32,000 email addresses are unlikely to be primary email addresses. What I mean by this is that many people have a secondary email address that they will check more infrequently than their primary one. What makes our mailer list different though is its value in terms of the cost of being able to potentially get in front of almost 32,000 people with a solo ad for just $9.95. The quality of the bonuses on offer is also massively compensates for any shortfalls in the theory. Now, I did say that I had 2 mega bonuses that I will give away for anyone picking up any of the OTOs and who can produce evidence of their purchase by sending me a screenshot of their purchase. These are 2 high-end full-blown training packages by arguably one of the best trainers in the affiliate marketing space right now, in my opinion that is. All you need to do to get these free is to email your screenshot to john.tattersall@yahoo.co.uk. Remember, these are in addition to my 4 bonuses and Doward and Terry's bonuses. So there you have it. Go ahead and check out my bonuses and feel free to return to my bonuses once you've checked out what other email or list reviewers are offering in terms of their bonuses. I hope that you found this review of mail or lists helpful and that I've helped you make an informed decision on whether to invest in mail or lists or not. So if you decide to purchase it, then please pick it up via my link, which is down below. Please do not forget to like my video and hit the subscribe button if you want to see my future reviews. Hitting the bell will also notify you when I release the next one. All it leaves me to say is thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video, and I do wish you every success with building your list and scaling from there. Stay safe, and I'll see you again on the next one. All the best for now. Goodbye.